All right, so we're going to go ahead and start with the absolute basics, which is how to get the Sugar mobile app. So the Sugar mobile app is an app you can download just like any other app on your mobile device. So Apple or Android phones and tablets. You'll go to your App Store on an Apple device or your Google Play Store on an Android device and just search for Sugar CRM or Sugar CRM Mobile. When you do that search, the first one that comes up typically for me is the correct one, but just there are various other versions of the app out there. So you want to look for the correct new Sugar logo, which is the first picture here on the slide. If you are seeing the really old blue Sugar logo, that is their really old mobile app. They still have a few people using their old open source product. And so the app is still out there for those who are still using that, but not very common at this point. Once you have the app downloaded and when you open it up, it's going to prompt you to log in. It's going to ask you first for the URL of your Sugar instance. So when you pull up Sugar in your browser, everything up to the .com is typically what you're looking for there. And once you put that in, it will validate that it can connect to your Sugar correctly. And then it will ask you for your username and your password so that it can log in.